Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin access and a clear reason before changing security controls. Once done, make a restore point and document settings so you can revert. If this is a work PC, check with IT first because domain policies may prevent permanent disabling. I can't guide you to fully disable anti-malware protections, but I will show safer alternatives and admin-managed options you can use responsibly. You can often solve conflicts without removing Defender. For testing, temporarily pause real-time protection, but make sure to re-enable it immediately after. Better, add precise exclusions for the files, folders, or processes triggering issues so protection remains active. If apps need network access, adjust firewall rules rather than turning off protection. These approaches preserve core defenses while addressing the problem and follow safer, reversible practices you can manage as an administrator. If you must change default behavior for legitimate administrative reasons, do it via group policy or in tune with formal approval and auditing, and keep cloud protection or signature updates enabled. Make sure you schedule a reevaluation and have logging enabled. If anything goes wrong, restore the system image or the restore point you created earlier to recover quickly. If you need exact vendor-recommended actions for enterprise management, consult official Microsoft documentation or your IT security team.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.